I wish the Reddy and Dr. Asha for opening up a super specialty hospital for pediatrics and maternity patients. This will add to give more treatment and specialty to the patients. I take this opportunity to congratulate the doctor Asha for opening up this super specialty hospital. I hope it will serve the purpose of Yamaha.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸದಾಶಿವನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಐಸಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೊಂದು ಈ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವರದಾನ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಇಂಥ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇವೆ.
ISIS Medical Care Abolition Foundation Infertility ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭೋತ್ಸವ ಬಹಳ ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲಿಕರಿಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ
is Greek goddess for motherhood and fertility. Here at ISIS Medicare and Research Center, we are catering to infertile couples, pediatrics, and as well as maternity. Now, infertility, as we all know, is on the rise because of career-oriented women today and delayed marriages and delayed conception, postponing their first child, everything, lot of stress in the working environment, everything put together. Around 20% of the couple today are infertile and they need some kind of assistance. It need not be IVF, what we call test tube baby itself, but there are other milder approach also. Few of them need lot of psychological support. They need to understand what is this reproduction, conception, everything. And then there is second line of treatment like IUI and all that, and the last option is IVF. At ISIS we are looking at a holistic approach, but these infertile couples they are having kind of a roller coaster rides, like having hopes and then frustrations and everything. So here we first thing is patient care, counseling the patient. They need lot of psychological support. Not only the couples, even the family. Support from the family is really very, very important. And of course the equipments, we have the best of the equipment, state of the art technology as well, and the expertise hands. And not only the existing solution, we are also thinking about the future aspects. As of now, the infertile couples whoever come to us all over the globe, not only here in Bangalore, in India or globally, the success rates is only 45 to 50%. So only 50 couples out of 100 couples go home back with a baby. So the rest 50%, what we are looking at is to do some kind of research and then look into that also, so that tomorrow 80% or rather 100% of them can go back with a baby.
We started this hospital with a vision to make it healthcare, especially infertility, maternity and pediatrics. Going down the lane, we would like to have number of centers. In approximately next 5 years, we are planning to have 12 centers, and each center will be having a investment of 15 crore rupees. We would like to start one in Indiranagar, Whitefield, and entire 2 cities of Karnataka, and later on expand to different cities, major cities throughout India.